Do you really want it? You know the words that if you want a thing bad enough to go out and fight for it, to work day and night for it, to give up your time, your peace, and your sleep for it, and if all that you dream and scheme is about it, and life just seems useless and worthless without it, and if you'll gladly sweat for it, fret for it, and plan for it, and lose all your terror of the opposition for it, and if you'll simply go after the thing that you want with all your strength, your capacity, your sagacity, your faith, hope, and confidence, and stand pertinacity, and if neither cold, poverty, gout, nor sickness of the body and brain can keep you away from that thing that you want, and if dogged and green you beseech and beset it, with the help of God, you will get it. You know, something that you're willing to give up your time for, something that you're willing to give up your sleep for, that is something that you want that will change your life forever. So pick that thing and do it as if God Almighty chose you at this time to do that very thing. And you will see life is going to become a better place because you came this way. So let's go ahead and do this.
To engage us further on our services, keynotes, workshops, coaching, and merchandise, visit our website velindaba.com.